everyone, how are you? Today we have 3 important things to share with you. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube as Rural Souls. We keep bringing you even better content. Thank you so much for your support. We receive thousands of messages every day and we can't reply to everyone. That's why we invite you to subscribe to our private TikTok community. It's a smaller space where we can answer your questions directly.
We often get message asking us to help find a girlfriend or wife. That makes no sense to us. If you wish, we can travel and experience the Philippines, but please don't ask for that. Thank you. Thank you for the heart, for being with us and supporting this project. The best is yet to come. See you in the next video. Bye!